What's up, buddy? Just Thunder Media here again. Got a lot going on the channel, but something that I can easily do on this channel is do reviews on Dairy Queen because I have an access to a Dairy Queen literally 1 minute away from me, so it's easy access. And so they just dropped new blizzards for the World Cup, I believe, and also something for USA's 2050. So there's 3 new blizzards. They have strawberry mango, a Mexican chocolate, hot chocolate, and a Biscoff one. I got 2 of the blizzards. One went to my mom, the mango strawberry mochi one. I tried it, very good. It's got a lot of mochi little mango bits in it, and even whole strawberries. Very, very good. So if you like mango and you like strawberries, that is definitely a winner for you. So go and try that one. The one I have and I got, because I like hot chocolate, so this is going to be interesting. This is the Mexican hot chocolate blizzard. There's supposed to be chocolate chunks in here, marshmallows, hot chocolate stuff. I don't know how it's going to taste. Sometimes DQ's chocolate is hit or miss, but we'll see. Well, the marshmallow bits are interesting. It's definitely, it's like spicy. There's like spices going on. Oh, this is interesting. This is weird. I'm gonna say this the strawberry mochi one's better. This one's like it's like spicy. It's like cinnamon, but not. Oh, I mean something fruity. This has got like 2 billion different flavors in it, and I don't know how to like. It's got like that Mexican spice. It's like cinnamon, but not. I got from like the hot chocolate, and then the marshmallows are very chewy. Get some whipped cream. It's dripping everywhere. I don't know about this one. It's like Christmassy, like gingerbread. It's not bad. It just makes you think. All right, 7 out of 10. I haven't tried the Biscoff one, so maybe I'll have to get that later. But anyways, we also got the Stars and Stripes Slushie, cherry and blue raspberry. You can only get this in small. A little bit of sprinkles on top, stars and stripes. Okay, let's try this. Yep, tastes like a slushie. It's good. What else would expect from a slushie? It's a slushie. 8 out of 10. Can't complain. I think the mango one was better. I don't have that in front of me, but I would give that one like an 8.5 out of 10. This one's like a 7 out of 10. There's a lot of flavors to it. I don't I don't know if you like hot chocolate, you like gingerbread, cinnamon. It's weird. Enough of me yapping. Thanks for watching, guys. 100 subscribers is gonna happen here soon. Anyway, peace out. See you later.